Good morning, students. Today we are starting the bridge course for the subject Science and Technology Part 2. In this bridge course, we have to go through the activity sheets which have been recommended by our State Council for the Educational Research and Training, and it includes the syllabus, that is the connecting link between the syllabus of the 9th and the 10th standard. So firstly we are going through the first activity sheet, that is activity sheet number 1, which includes the reference which is given from the standard 9 chapter number 16, heredity and variation. So what is the heredity? This chapter, it includes the information about the inheritance and genetics, and it also explains the organization and the types of a chromosome. Also we have to study the structure of the DNA and the RNA. So let's take a look. We have seen that there is a great variation within every species in a nature. Let's study the factors that gives rise to this variation. Carefully observe the differences in the given picture. If we observe this picture, then you can see the differences among the organs of the human being, and these variation among the human being, that is nothing but the that the factor which is responsible, that is the heredity. Irrespective of all of us being the human, we have differences in the height, skin, facial features. For example, some have attached earlobes, the nose and the lips and the hairlines are different from the other. Now what is the inheritance? The transfer of the characteristics of the organisms from one generation to another, that is called as the inheritance. New progeny is formed through the process of the reproduction. Organisms produced by asexual reproduction show minor variation. However, the offsprings produced through the sexual reproduction show comparatively greater variations. Now, what is the genetics? The branch of biology which studies the transfer of the characteristics from one generation to the next, and genes in a particular, it is called as the genetics. So next is, that is the chromosome. The structure in the nucleus of the cell that carries the heredity, it is called the characteristics is the chromosome. Each chromosome is made up of the nucleic acid and protein. Each species has a specific number of chromosomes. On the basis of the position of the centromere, the chromosome, it is are of 4 type. A diagram is given here, you have to write here. Here these are the 4 different types of chromosomes are given. So in the bracket you have to write what type of chromosome it is. If the centromere is present in the center or in the middle, then this chromosome, it is called as a metacentric. You can write metacentric chromosome. Okay, if the centromere is present near to the middle, not in exactly middle, so such a chromosome is called as a submetacentric chromosome. It is called submetacentric chromosome. You have to write in a notebook all this. Okay, now next diagram which is given, you can refer to the textbook of 9th standard, page number 181. Okay, so the next diagram which is given here, the centromere is present at one of the end of the chromosome. So such a chromosome is called as a telocentric chromosome. You can write telocentric chromosome. The next diagram is given, that is the centromere is not exactly at one end but near to the end. So such a type of chromosome, it is called as a acrocentric acrocentric chromosome. So in this way you can label this diagram. After that, the now the next is given, that is the give reason. Some plants are tall and some are short. You have to write the answer. The characters are transmitted from the parents to the offspring. Okay, so those plants, they are tall, they are having the chromosomes, they are transmitted from their parents. So tallness and the shortness are the characters which are inherited from their parents. And then the table is given. For this table you can refer the page number 181 here, from the textbook. The organism and the number of chromosomes are given. So 46 chromosomes, they are present in which organism? The 46 chromosomes, they are present in a human being. We are having the 46 chromosomes. Okay, next one is given, that is 48 chromosome. Where the 48 chromosomes are present? 48 chromosomes, they are present in a potato. 48 chromosomes are present in the potato. Okay, then the next one is, that is a crab. In case of a crab, how many chromosomes are there? 200 chromosomes. You can refer the textbook. Then the next is given table, that is 4 chromosomes, they are present in the roundworm. And the last one is, that is 26 chromosomes, they are present in a frog. Blank space. Okay, now next one is label the diagram. This diagram, for this diagram you can refer the page number 180 from the 9th standard book. Here the organization of chromosome is given. The first label, that is, you can write here, the first one you can write the arms of chromosome. The second label, you can write the p arm. The third one is, that is the centromere. Here it is a constriction. So you write here the centromere. And the fourth label, that you write the q arm. It is a q arm. So in this way you can label this diagram. Okay, now the next label the diagram. This diagram is also given on page number 182. So you can label this diagram. How can you label it? You can label this diagram. The first one is, that is, you write here cell. Then for the second, here you write the nucleus of the cell. Then for the third one you write the chromosome. And for the fourth one you write the gene, gene. Gene. You have to refer the page number 182 from the textbook. Next one is, observe the given diagram and answer the following. Okay, we have to observe. What is the diagram here? Here it is the diagram of the DNA molecule. DNA molecule and the adenine, guanine, nitrogenous bases are given, and the sugar, phosphoric acid, all they are given. So you have to write the answer. Identify the given diagram. You can easily write DNA has two parallel thread. What is it? Is a double helical structure. The given diagram is of a DNA molecule. Name the nitrogenous bases. The name of the nitrogenous bases are adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. Then the next is that is from which substance each rail of the DNA ladder is made up of. It is made up of sugar, deoxyribose sugar and phosphoric acid and phosphate group you can write. Then complete the correlation. Adenine it pair with thymine. Then which pair with cytosine? There are 4 nitrogen bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. So you can write here guanine. Now name the type of RNA. So for this you can refer the page number 183, types of RNA. The first one RNA is that is the what it is? It is the RNA that is mRNA, messenger RNA. It is mRNA. The second RNA is that is the rRNA. You write here the rRNA or ribosomal RNA, and the third RNA is that is the tRNA or the transfer RNA. So in this way you have to write all the content as the diagrams you have to draw in a notebook. You have to make the special notebook, separate notebook for all the activity sheet, and one another notebook you have to make for the test. 3 tests you have to solve on that special or the separate notebook. So here ends our first activity sheet. Next we will see in the next video.